animals and young ones. Today we learn animals and their babies. Elephant. Elephant, young one is calf. Chicken. Chicken, baby is chick. Cow. Cow, baby is calf. Cat. Cat, baby is kitten. Dog. Dog, young one is puppy. Duck. Duck, young one is duckling. Deer. Deer, young one is fawn. Kangaroo. Kangaroo, young one is joy. Giraffe. Giraffe, young one is calf. Rat. Rat, young one is pup. Rabbit. Rabbit, young one is bunny. Lion. Lion, young one is cub. Bear. Bear, young one is cub. Penguin. Penguin, young one is chick. Snake. Snake, young one is snakelet. Goose. Goose, young one is gosling. Goat. Goat, young one is kid. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus, young one is calf. Mosquito. Mosquito, young one is tumbler. So kids player, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends for more educational video. So keep watching, keep learning. Thank you मेरे प्यारे kids.